Hi everyone, Alex here, and I hope you're enjoying so far day 28 of our online content. Today my task was to create a site-specific piece of choreography, and I was having a think about it, and due to the circumstances of what's going on at the moment, the piece choreographed by our own Patricia Vallis, titled Divided We Stand, had a section within it all about solitude. But rather than solitude being, I'm all on my own, I've got no one around me, I'm, helpless, it's actually finding the comfort, the safety in our solitude, that no one can get us, nothing can come and hurt us, we can't catch anything. And I think that we could maybe try and apply that to our thinking for the situation that we're in, or I certainly have, rather than taking the solitude we've all had to take as a negative, trying to use it as a positive, in that I feel very safe right now. I know that I'm doing everything I can to be healthy and things. So yeah, this will be an adapted version of the choreography by Patricia, and I hope you enjoy.